Hello guys, welcome and welcome. Welcome to my new art video, and today's artwork we are going to start from basic but a beautiful looking artwork. Now, what we require for this is simple shapes. That means not a shapes which we are going to buy it. It's like just a scale and pencil where you can just make various shapes. So our topic for today is design, but a geometric design art. Okay, so let's begin and create a beautiful artwork. And how it's to be done, we will go ahead and have a look at it. Going ahead with the instructions. Now, what are we supposed to do? We are going to take a drawing book or a drawing sheet. We are going to make a square of 15 into 15 centimeter. That means the height and the width should be 15 by 15. Okay, once we do that, we are going to input all the different types of shapes, and how many that I'll let you know. We need to draw 3 circles. You have to use 3 circles, 2 triangles, 2 square, 2 butterflies, and 2 flowers, and all of this will be coming together and creating a beautiful artwork. Let's begin with the art. Let's start drawing 15 by 15 centimeter the square box. Now, as we saw, I have finished with my square box. Now let's go to the things which I had told earlier. We'll be using all those shapes and we'll start the artwork. Make sure you use scale to get a clear lines. Or else if you're good at art, just make it freehand. Okay, let's begin. Okay. If you can see, I have finished my artwork. Now, only 2 portions are left. It's just one is the outline, second is the coloring. Let me finish my outline. Once I do that, I will go ahead with coloring. Giving you the instructions of coloring, basically there is no instructions. Instructions is only one, that every portion of your shape is been divided into many various parts. Maybe if you have made a circle, from there you will find many lines going through it. Or its triangle is divided by different shapes, different other shapes. Now, if the whole triangle is there, you are not supposed to color the whole triangle with one color. If it is separated, or if the circle is separated, it has become 2 or 3 divided parts, then every single part will be having separate colors. Make sure that you don't color the same color side by side, otherwise it won't look different. Okay, so let's begin with the artwork and let's finish our art. So as I said, we got an amazing artwork, and here it is. So let's see how your artwork looks when you complete it. Thanks a lot, keep watching.